like water finding paths down ancient mountain stands. What stays and what moves on? I'll watch and wonder why the mist surrounds me now. Each droplet holds a thought of moments long ago that can't be caught, till memories flow like her, till memories flow like water, like water. Always moving, never staying, but somehow remaining. The sound of rushing streams reminds me how it felt. When everything was new, before the seasons dealt their changes to my world. Now time moves different here, between the stones and spray. I hear what water says. Nothing truly fades away, it just finds different ways to stay. I close my eyes and breathe the wisdom of before.